Hi friends, it's Auntie Cuckoo. So I have been shopping. Today I'm sharing my Christmas decor haul. Hi guys, so I wanted to share my Christmas haul with you guys. This is, I think, either the biggest or second biggest I've ever done. I am definitely switching up the look, and I've been picking up things that are very affordable from all kinds of places. So I'm gonna kind of divide it and show you guys where I got everything. And I'm telling you, these are really good prices. Hopefully you'll be able to find any of these things that you're interested in. Let me start in the back. So this star, I just shared with you guys that Hobby Lobby has their Christmas decor at 60% off. And so I've been eyeballing this. I didn't want to get it at 40 or 50%, but at 60, it was worth it. So it's normally $27.99, and I think it was 12 and change. So it is gorgeous. Love this star. I've been eyeing it for a while. And then also at Hobby Lobby, I picked up these containers. So these you can find over in the area where they have sort of their floral stuff, but they've got pots also. I had been wanting to get these, and then I picked them up. They were $14.99, although when I was in looking at the clearance items, I noticed the price of these had gone up. I think they're $17 now. So they come in a few different sizes, but they're over where you can find any kind of vessels for your florals. So I got two of these at Hobby Lobby, and you'll notice what I have in here is a bunch of ornaments I've picked up at Ross. Ross has been the place for me this year. We'll get to those in a second. First, I want to show you guys a couple of little things from Burlington. So in their floral section as well, they sell these, and for $5.99 you get 6. Now they're a vase filler. They have a few different ones to choose from, but I think these will make great ornaments, and the price couldn't be better. And when I was there, I also picked this up for Poco. It's just a little green dog pajama that says naughty. That's perfect for him. So this is the first time I'm actually filming a haul on my phone, so hopefully this is coming across well. I got this. Now we have something called a Burke's outlet, and it's very similar to Ross, and I have been looking for a new nativity scene. I love that they're standing. It also kind of looks like wood, carved wood. It is not, and they did brush it with gold. I'll probably refinish it, but the price for this was so good. It was $14.99, and I just fell in love with it. So I got that there. So I have always wanted these wise men on camels. I guess my grandmother must have had something like them, because I had them in like my mind, and I found them at Buc-ee's, a gas station in Texas of all places. They were pricey. They were a gift to myself for Christmas, so they were $33 basically, $32.99 per Wiseman, but they do have different faces, different gifts in their hands, and I might play with that gold finish, give it a little bit different look, but fell in love with those, had to have them. They had a nativity there, but it was expensive, and I'm really happy with my budget-friendly version. And then a few thrifted items are thrown in. So this is from a local thrift store. They actually had 50% off. I'm gonna remake it, but it is a brass set of bells, so $3. I got the set for $1.50. I'm gonna change it up. You guys will see that. Now let's talk about Ross, because they have purchased all of the leftover home decor from Christmas from Michael's from last year. So it's showing up at Ross at really good prices. And I fell in love with, obviously, these ornaments. This is something that I could not leave behind. So I went to a few Rosses over the last couple weeks and picked up a few. So for $5, you get 2 of these ornaments. I love the shape. I love the color, I love the texture, I just love everything about them. So I've got a bunch of them. And then they also had these ornaments. So they're just little gold nutcrackers, and for $6 you get 3. Saved me some time and paint because I was going to do something similar. And then this. I love these. So this is a garland. It was originally $5. Well, it was $5 at Ross, but at Michael's it was $20. It's by Ashland. It's a 6-foot garland. If you guys saw my last round of DIYs, you probably saw this in with the Christmas tree because I took one of them out to stage it for showing you guys what it looks like. So these are just really delicate mercury glass ornaments. Some are bulbs, some are rounds, some are stars. And then the ribbon it's on is this gorgeous cream velvet. So I did get 4 and I'm happy with that. Okay, now for the trees. Somehow I recorded everything and I had to pull these back out. These are all from Ross and I bought 2 of this green one. I was looking at the ones at Target Dollar Spot, but I just liked these better, and $4.99. It's a Dollar Spot price, but these are much larger. I think a little bit nicer than the ones in Dollar Spot. I also found this. It's a very, I would say, like mid-century Art Deco style tree. They have something like this in the Target Dollar Spot, but it's not as tall as this, and this one was all of $5.99. So I actually did pick up 3 of these. Now, Target Dollar Spot has a tree very similar to this one. I had already picked these up from Ross, and I decided to keep these and not get the ones at Target. So these are actually $3.99, so $1 more than the ones at Dollar Spot. They are taller, and I just like that mercury glass look that it has, the finish behind all the detail. I also got this little guy that was originally $10 from Michael's and $2.50 at Ross. What I thought was really fun was that the Dollar Tree put out these glass trees and they go perfect. So I picked up 5 of those at my store. They had them in red and green and then the gold and a silver. And now let me move some stuff so I can show you the stockings. So I did pick up 3 stockings. They're all 3 from Ross. This one I just think is absolutely to die for with the buttons. It's gorgeous. I love it. They had a bunch, but I like to have different stockings. Oh, I think I took the tags off of these already. I believe this one was $12.99. This one was $9.99, and that kind of blew me away. It was a, I think, formerly Michael's item with the beaded trees. I just think this is so pretty. It's a sort of cream velvet. And then they had this one, and I think this one was only $8.99, and it is a knit stocking. There's a little bit of fine threading in there with the gold, and then it has the pom-poms. And then back here, I got some more stars. So you guys know I had been looking at different stars. I got one from Walmart. Well, I took it back because I found these at Ross, and they do light up. They were $12. They gave me, I think, $1.50 off because they are kind of bent in some weird directions. They do have a hanger on here. One of these, there it is right there, that has the lights on it as well. $12.99 for those. So I did pick up 2 of them. And let me see, I didn't even look to see. I don't think they were from Michael's. I think they're just something that Ross had. And then I was out thrifting and I came across these stars. Now this one needs washed. That's why I've got this blanket down that is also from Ross. I'll tell you guys about. I found 2 of these and they're identical. And they were $1 each. So I thought, okay, I'm just gonna bring them home. They're only $1 and see which one makes a better topper for my 2 trees. So might be big and lit up, might be more small. If I don't use these as the toppers, I can definitely use them as ornaments. Now, another item I picked up thrifting was this. It's just for a candle. It was $1. I'm gonna refinish it. The silver's pretty. Obviously, this year I'm going gold. And then the green blanket. It is a velour. I don't say that very well. Velour. I thought this price was amazing, so I saved the tag to show you guys. It's an oversized throw for $12.99 by Soho Loft. So if you're interested in a really beautiful throw for a very good price, check out Ross. And then I have, I think, just one more Ross item, which is these bells. And this was interesting because it had a price on this side that says $4.99, and there's a price on the back that says $11.99. And I paid $4.99. She was like, I don't know why, but I'm gonna give it to you for $4.99. So I was thrilled to get that set of bells. And now I have more stuff from dollar stores over here. And then I'm gonna show you guys my garland behind there. So this is sort of a comparison item. So at the Dollar Tree this year, they have the cedar picks in gold glitter. Now, they're great. I think that's a great buy. You get 5 pieces. But if you have a 99-cents only store, I know they're not in all states. I think California, Texas, Arizona, you get a 5-pack. They're not glittery. They're a little more substantial. So I did get those as well. And then also at the 99-cent store, I got some ribbon. I just thought that that was really pretty. So my Dollar Tree is actually clearancing out fall. So I got this ribbon at $1.50. It's a black velvet, and it was a fall item. And then also at my 99-cent store, they had these bells. I'm gonna refinish them, but I thought that they were a great buy for $8.29. You get 3 of them. So then ornaments. The 99-cent store had these ornaments. I have looked at these at home, and they went like $5-6 per ornament, if not 10. So I had to pick them up. They were $1.25. I got them in gold. I got them in white. These are not going to stay white. I'm not sure what I'm doing yet, but I just wanted to have them so I could play around with them. And this is from the Dollar Tree. So I love this star as well. I wish it was gold. I haven't been able to find it. If you've seen them in gold, let me know. And then also from the 99-cent store, they had these gold pine cones. I just thought that that was really pretty. I wanted to have those on hand for crafting. So those were $1 a piece. Thought there was something else in there. Oh, okay. Now let me go show you guys this garland. It is from Amazon. I shared it on Instagram. I'm gonna move everything so you can see it better. So I found it on Amazon. It is a cedar or cypress. I don't know. I just know that it came packaged in the smallest box. I could not believe they fit in an entire 6-foot garland in it, but I linked it over on Amazon. So it had these cheesy plastic pine cones on it that I did quickly remove, and then I fluffed it. I like this color green. It's on a very dark green blanket, but I think it's a really good color. It was $30 when I bought it. And then when I went back to share it with you guys and link it, it had gone up to $38.99. So things are getting very expensive. There was a few things I did forget to show you guys. Okay, so from Target, I got the little mug of the gingerbread. I also got the Christmas tree wrap from the Dollar Spot. And then you guys know I shared the Dollar Tree Christmas shop with me. I got 2 of these $5 trees. They are so much more substantial than the ones in Dollar Spot and the same price, but these are from Dollar Tree. And then my favorite pick right now from the Dollar Tree are these that are plastic. It looks like a little snow fallen twig. All right, guys, that's all I'm picking up for Christmas this year. I think I got some really great prices. Let me know what you think down below in the comments, and I'll see you back very soon.